Liven app review. I'm going to tell you if the Liven app is worth it in 2025. Liven markets itself as a coaching and habit building app with AI powered check ins, goal tracking, and motivational content, but early promise falls flat on delivery. Many users say the app is glitchy, slow, and full of upsells, pushing pricey subscriptions, pretty much a scam, and hard to cancel once you're in months worth of charges. Even though some appreciate the daily prompts and mood tracking, others call the quizzes vague and generic, and the refund policy bait and switch. One Redditor summed it up bluntly: they offer a money back guarantee, but they don't honor it. So if you want a polished self improvement tool with solid support, skip Liven. It's better to choose some reputable apps with clear billing and real integrations.